Okay, so I'm going to show you how I never ever lose a trade in the Forex market, which is very, very possible. So I use expert advisors, and the expert advisor I use is Candle Scalp. It scalps the market. And let me show you a back test. And I only use it on 3 pairs. So let's back test this. And I'm going to use a Candle Scalp V1, symbol euro versus the dollar, period 4 hours. The spread will be 5. And let's adjust our trade size. Let's put 1.0. Okay. And we'll start from February all the way down to today's date. And I'm going to press start. And it's pure profit all year long. This is a very good trade. I made like near almost $6,000 with no loss. And so basically it's $50 basically a day. Okay, so it never loses. And so that is this one pair. Imagine on other pairs as well. So if you want to get this expert advisor, go to automatedincome.net and you can download this EA today.